Now, after the banking approval, Sofi Technologies is one of the companies that is really becoming that kind of an investment where so many people right now want to find themselves investing into this company, which is why, ladies and gents, just yesterday we saw a big financial institution covering or initiating a coverage on the Sofi Technology stock. And for those of you, of course, that have not read about those kind of news, the financial institution that just initiated a coverage on Sofi Technologies is a company that goes by the name of the Bank of America. Now, the Bank of America, guys, initiated a buy rating onto Sofi Technologies, which is something that is totally incredible because we are seeing more financial institutions coming and cover this company, Sofi Technologies, which is something that has to show you that this is a company which is just set to do very well. This is a company that we can expect it to do very well. And of course, the fact that now they do have a banking charter, it is one of the things that is adding fuel into this company, attracting more investors into coming and want to start investing into this Sofi Technologies stock. Now, Bank of America, guys, gave a price target on Sofi of around $17. And so this has to motivate you to go out there and load the boat onto this Sofi Technology stock because it is just set to do very well, which is why we are seeing, like I'm saying, more financial or more big financial institutions coming and covering or increasing the price target onto Sofi Technologies. Sofi Technologies is a stock which is just set to do very well, and I think those of you that have been following me for some time, you will know the good benefits that comes with the good approval, like the banking charter which they just received recently. I did a video about that, just covering the good things or the positive things that we can expect out of Sofi since they got their banking charter. Now, with all that, guys, another latest development that of course people are really sort of like excited about is the Super Bowl, which is or which will be taking place into Sofi Technologies. I'm not sure if it's today. I'm not sure. You guys, of course, especially those that are staying in the US, you know as to when is this event taking place. I just forgot the date, but there is a Super Bowl that is expected to take place into SoFi Stadium. Now, how is this thing exciting investors, or how is this thing sort of like making investors to have goosebumps, especially those that are investing into Sofi Technologies? This Super Bowl, it is a very good thing onto Sofi because it will draw a lot of attention, or it will bring a lot of attention into Sofi Technologies. I mean, those people that don't know about Sofi Technologies and what it does or the services that it offers, immediately when they see the adverts on that stadium, they are going to start wanting to find out more about Sofi Technologies. And guess what? I can tell you for sure that most of the people in the Super Bowl are going to become members of this Sofi Technologies company. They are going to come and want to start using their Sofi platform, which is truly out of this world. As you already know, that in that platform there is a lot that can attract consumers to want to come and use Sofi Technologies. And this, for the fact that it will be out there, it is going to make them to become comfortable. Even when they are doing several services in the Sofi platform, they are going to be comfortable. As you already know that, yeah, there's just so much that they can do in Sofi platform. They can save, invest, borrow, spend, and trade, which is something that is truly amazing, and it has to be the one that I think it will definitely give them that attraction when they enter the Sofi platform. I mean, who would not want to start using a platform that is becoming a one-stop shop for all things relating to digital banking? I mean, with the fact that there's just so much that consumers can do when they access or enter Sofi Technologies, it is something that I think you, as a retail investor, it has to even excite you to know that you are investing into this company because it offers a wide range of services to consumers. So this Super Bowl is expected to drive some users into Sofi Technologies, which is something that is incredible. Otherwise, guys, you will remember that on the 1st of March 2022, Sofi Technologies will be giving us the Q4 earnings results. And you remember that these Q4 earnings results are going to come with the total annual results or earnings results for the year 2021. Now, this is something that excites investors of Sofi, because you remember that the last time, I think, when we had or when Sofi reported their Q3 earnings results, we saw the stock after those results shooting upwards or shooting higher because of the kind of good results Sofi managed to produce. So we are also, as Sofi investors, or so many investors of Sofi are also anticipating that Sofi will continue to do very well in terms of earnings. I mean, the good thing, or something that is truly amazing, you remember that during the year, Sofi had anticipated that for the year 2021 they will generate total revenues of around $980 million. But after reporting the Q3 earnings results, Sofi now reiterated and said, you know what, in fact, our target for 2021, we are anticipating to report total revenues of around $1 billion, which is something that is truly amazing, and has to show you the strength that this Sofi Technologies is getting, or the growth that we are witnessing into this Sofi Technology stock. This is a stock, or Sofi Technologies is a stock which is just set to do very well. I mean, you remember that still on the same Q3 earnings results, Sofi, by then they had reported total membership of almost 3 million members, which is something that is truly amazing, which most definitely, for sure, we are going to see Sofi Technologies reporting way over 3 million membership growth in this upcoming Q4 earnings results. Now, all these good things about Sofi Technologies, guys, should continue to motivate you to stay long onto this stock, because it is just set to do very well. Sofi, it is a disruptor in this fintech industry, and I believe it's one of those companies that will really do well in this fast growing fintech industry. Now, please, before you can load the boat, guys, as I always say, please do make sure that you go out there, you do your own due diligence, so that at least you can be comfortable when you are investing into this Sofi Technology stock, because I can tell you for sure this is a stock which is just set to do very well. And it is for this reason why we are seeing so many big financial institutions coming and cover or initiate coverage onto this company. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos, and if you think that this video was amazing, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and if you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you every time I release a video. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.